Today we will talk about the messenger of Xmas, the decoration, the light, the handmade crafts and every small things that carries a message of peace, love and joy. And yes, we will make them beautifully, naturally and sustainability by recycling what we already have. Welcome my friends. Today's heartwarming Xmas story, a story of beauty, creativity and kindness. Every year, when December arrives, the air changes. It becomes softer, lighter, and full of hope. The stars above remind us that light will always find its way, even in the darkest night. But have you ever noticed? Every Xmas decoration is like a messenger carrying meaning. The pine tree reminds us of everlasting life. The wreath on the door whispers a message of welcome. The bells remind us of joy and celebration, and the lights, they carry the message of hope shining in every corner of our heart. These are not just decoration, they are a story in color and light. Let's bring these messengers to life through our decoration. Start with your outdoor space. Decorate your pine trees or small plants with handmade ornaments. Use jute rope, ribbons, and recycled paper stars. Wrap the branches gently and fairy lights. Hang it small pine cones, dried oranges sliced, and tiny bows. Every piece adds a magical glow. You can even take old glass jars, fill them in fairy lights, and place them along the walkway. When lights fall, these jars sparkle like tiny golden stars, guiding guests to your home. And the best part, all of this can be made with recycled materials. A simple touch of creativity can turn old things into beautiful treasures. Recycling during Xmas isn't just good for nature, it's a symbol of gratitude. When we reuse, we say thank you to the earth. Take old cardboard boxes, cut them into star or heart shapes. Cover them with jute fabric or paint them with white and gold. Use them as hanging ornaments or wall decor. Get leftover fabric or denim and recycle things. Recycling mason jars, very beautiful. Recycling our hairs, and this video gives you a best ideas from recycling of mason jars. So these little glass jars carries endless possibilities. They can shine like stars, glow like candles, and remind us that beauty often lives in simplicity. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin our cozy crafting journey together. Before we start decorating, let's pause for a thought. Christmas is not only about buying, it's about creating and caring. When we recycle, we give a second life to simple things, like these mason jars sitting quietly in our kitchen. Every jar is a small messenger of mindfulness. It reminds us that creativity doesn't need much, only a little imagination and a loving heart. Let's begin by preparing our jars. Wash them gently and let them dry. Now imagine clear glass waiting for your artistic touch. You can keep them plain for a clean, elegant look or decorate them using recycled material. Burlap or jute rope around the top, old ribbons or lace from last year's gifts, a little bow made from leftover fabric or twine. One of the most magical ways to use mason jars is to turn them into a candle holder. Place a small tea light or LED candles inside. You can add some dried pine leaves, cinnamon stick or a few coffee beans at the bottom for a warm, natural look. When the candle glows, the light dances softly through the glass, creating a cozy, peaceful atmosphere. Put them in on your porch, windowsill or dinner table. They will fill your home with gentle Xmas lights. Let's make another beautiful idea. Snow globe jars. Take a mason jar and fill it halfway with artificial snow or cotton. Place a tiny pine tree, a snowman, or indeed figurine inside, all recycled from old decor. Close the lid and the tie ribbon or jute rope around the top. You can make glue small stars or bells for the extra spark.